Hi! In this demonstration, we'll showcase how effortlessly you can migrate your SSAS model to Microsoft Fabric using Kanerika's advanced migration tool. The SSAS model includes essential components like measures, calculated tables, calculated columns, and relationships. Now, we'll migrate the semantic model directly into this Power BI report. Start by uploading your SSAS file with just a few clicks. Next, provide the destination path for the Power BI report, where the model will be migrated. Click Migrate, and let our tool do the rest. Within moments, your entire semantic model, including relationships, measures, calculated columns, and calculation groups, will be successfully migrated. Let's create a simple visualization to verify the migration. Publish the report into your chosen workspace, now seamlessly integrated in direct lake mode. Here's the finalized published report. This notebook streamlines the conversion from import mode to direct lake mode. Here, you can see the migrated objects in action. With Kanerika's tool, your semantic model is now in direct lake mode, completely independent of the original data source, and seamlessly rebound to your reports, simplifying the entire process.